Students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Saungi. I am your English teacher, Mr. Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do the simple, beautiful, and short poem "Our Tree." So, this short, beautiful poem is written by David Herman. He is an American poet keenly interested in the conservation of nature. He feels pain at the mindless felling of trees that is now posing a serious threat to human existence itself. Our Tree is one of his most celebrated poems. Okay, student, this is a very beautiful and short poem written by David Harmer. Okay, before starting the poem, let's discuss about pre-reading task. Have you observed a tree grow? Does it grow quickly or take long time to grow? No, tree always take a very long time to grow. When you plant a tree, it takes a lot of time to grow. These are the things that we get from trees. We get a number of things from the tree, just like as a first means our materialistic thing means whatever we be means for example table chairs and we get our clothes also from this cotton and we get oxygen from the trees, we get fruits, seeds, okay, different type of medicines. Why do we cut trees? We cut trees to build different type of buildings, factories, and different type of businesses. So we are cutting trees, and in the name of progress, we are doing injustice with the trees. Is it good to cut trees? No, it's not at all good to cut trees, because if we cut trees, automatically we get a less oxygen and the environment will be very much polluted. So we should not cut trees. Okay, students. Let's read out the poem, then we will start. Okay, it takes so long for a tree to grow, so many years of pushing the sky. Long branches stretch the arm, reach out with their wooden fingers. Years drip by, fall like leaves, from green to yellow, then back to green. Since my granddad was a boy, and then before his father's father, there has been an elm outside our school. Its shadow long across our playground. Today, three men ripped it down, chopped it up. It took 10 minutes. Okay, students? So, this is a beautiful short poem. Now, let's see what the poet wants to convey through this poem. It takes so long for a tree to grow, so many years of pushing the sky. Long branches stretch the arms, reach out with their wooden fingers. Years drip by, fall like leaves, from green to yellow, then back to green. Okay, students, when you plant a tree, it takes a lot of time to grow a tree. If you plant a tree, it takes a lot of time. Means suddenly, if you plant today one seed, and if you see tomorrow in the morning, you will not get anything. So it takes a lot of time tree to grow. Means first of all there will be different type of small beautiful leaves, then branches like this, and it takes many years of pushing the sky. Means to spread the branches in the sky, it takes many years. Long branches stretch the arms, reach out with their wooden fingers. You see there are a beautiful trees, just like as a mango tree, banana tree, and different type of big, just like neem trees. So these trees branches are very much high. Okay, they stretch their arms, means these arms are the symbol of the long branches of a trees, and the poet is seeing these branches are nothing but these are wooden fingers of a tree. Okay, years drift by, fall like leaves, from green to yellow, then back to green. You know, students, this is the cycle of nature. Okay, initially the means leaves always grow as a green, but everything has its end. So this beautiful green leaves turns into yellow color, and then it falls down on the ground, and once again in the new means season, once again the green beautiful leaves, once again it also come out. So this cycle continues for a long time, and during this time the tree also keep on growing. Okay student, this is the first part of this poem, and I hope you have enjoyed it. We will see the second part, and we'll see what is the message the poet wants to give us through this poem. Write any two uses of trees. Okay, and whatever this is your homework, and whatever you have understood, write down in your own words any 5 sentences about trees. Okay student, thank you and have a happy day.